Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Leonor Patras here in the Philippines, having blessed with 3 children, married. I am a Filipino and I'm 40 years old, high school diploma. Uh, having blessed with 3 children, my height is 154 centimeter. My work experience here in the Philippines is cooking, take care newborn baby for almost 3 years, and then do household chores like cleaning, ironing the house, the clothes, and gardening also. I'm willing to learn how to take care of pets and elderly and also newborn baby. I'm willing to learn Chinese foods in I want to song for your kids, sir. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. It diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. For the future, for my future employer, if you hire me, sir, I promise to follow the rules and regulation, and I will be loyal, caring, loving, also to your children, sir. That's all, sir, and thank you.